Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and in this video I have an unboxing and review of the ME1 Omni-Directional USB-C mic by DigitalLife. Let's open it. Packaging, pretty straightforward. First thing I notice is the weight of this box is pretty substantial, so I expect the mic is made out of metal. So let's open it up here. Looks like two boxes. This box, USB-C cable. Owner operations manual. Yeah, hey. And this must be the mic itself. Yeah, it feels heavy. This thing. All right, so yes, it is. It is made out of metal alloy. It is substantial weight to this thing. Wow. All right, so here we have input for microphone. So you can, I guess, monitor your audio. Mic volume, speaker volume, and a USB input. This will then connect to your computer's USB. And that's basically it. Here is the mic next to a Beecham Super Corduroy mic. As you can see, the Beecham mic is substantially bigger, but it's just made out of plastic, and I'm pretty sure this thing is heavier. Let's find out here. So here we have the Beecham, 138.9 grams, and the DigitalLife, yep, 202.7 grams. It is heavier and smaller because this thing is a solid piece of metal, really well constructed. I am impressed versus plastic. Other difference between the two items, this is a super corduroy pattern and this is omnidirectional. So this is good for noisy environment where you got to speak directly in front of the mic. Sound to the left and the right side behind it is a lot less and lower, whereas the DigitalLife is omnidirectional, so it picks up sound all around. Hooking up the DigitalLife ME1 should be as simple as just plug in the USB and then plug it into the USB input onto my MacBook here. There you go, the light came on. Right now I'm using the MacBook microphone. Now I see USB microphone, just switch to that. And now we're in the USB microphone. If you connect the headphone to the ME1, you can also listen to the sound as well and monitor. In addition to the volume control, there's also a mic and speaker control on the left and right side. So you can push the button to mute the mic, turn off the mic, or push the button to turn off the speaker going to the headphone. Okay, let's test out the sound. Right now, you are listening to me using my giant squid lavalier mic that's attached to under my shirt right now. So this is what it sounds like. I really like the giant squid because that's what I used to do on my video. And because the mic being close to me, it picks up my voice clearly without the room echo. And by comparison, we're going to switch over right now to the built-in mic on the MacBook Pro, which is about 1.5 feet from me. So let me switch that in right now. And testing 1, 2, 3. This is a recording from the built-in mic of the MacBook Pro. It is sitting about 1.5 feet from me, and this is what it sounds like. Seashell at the seashore. Yeah, my tongue twister. All right, let's switch over to the ME1 from DigitalLife. Okay, this is a test of the DigitalLife ME1 omnidirectional mic. It is sitting to my right, but it doesn't really matter because it is omnidirectional. I can go left, I can turn the mic around, and the voice will still be the same. This mic is ideal for, I guess, a conference. Everyone's around the conference table, sitting left, sitting right, forward, behind, and the mic will pick up everybody, as opposed to this Bitrum, which is super corduroy. It has to be in front for me to pick up the voice. But let's now test it against the Bitrum mic. Okay, this is a test of the Bitrum super corduroy microphone. It is directly in front of me. I'm talking directly into it. It picks up sound in front, less to the side. So if I were to turn it to the side, it should sound less. And if I were to turn it away from me, my voice will sound muted and low versus when it's right in front of me and it sounds the best. So there you go. That's all 34 actually. Which one do you like the best? The DigitalLife ME1 sells for less than $50. Link to this product will be below this video if you want to go check it out. Overall, I rather like it. I love the all metal construction. It feels substantial, got a good weight to it, and it works really well. Like I said, this is a ideal use for conference call. Everyone's around a boardroom table. You set it up, and then everyone can just talk, and the mic will pick everybody up. So it's great for that. Good for Zoom. I like the small, compact, portable. I can take it anywhere. Set it up. Once I plug into USB, my Mac instantly recognize it. Plug it in. Plug and play. Put it down, and just start recording. A nice device. I like it. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up. Please like and share it. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot. See you guys next time.